Today, we discuss Pol Science Honours, Semester 4, CC8, West Bengal State University. Question is, discuss the differences between comparative government and comparative politics. The distinction between comparative government and comparative politics lies in their focus, methodologies, and analytical frameworks. At first, comparative government. Comparative government is a subfield of political science focused on comparing the structure, institutions, and function of different government. This includes the study of constitution, the organization of executive, legislative, and judicial branches, and the examination of various types of political regimes. Focus. Number 1. Institutional structures. Comparative government looks closely at the organization and functioning of government institutions such as parliaments, presidencies, courts, and administrative bodies. Number 2. Constitutional framework. It involves studying different types of constitutions, their provisions, and how they shape the political system. Number 3. Government types. It categorizes governments into different types, that is, democracies, autocracies, monarchies, and examines their specific characteristics and variation. Number 4. Formal rules and regulations. The analysis centers are on different rules and procedures that guide political behavior and government operation. Methodology. Number 1. Descriptive analysis. It often involves describing and cataloging the structures and function of various government. Number 2. Comparative analysis uses a comparative methods to identify difference and similarities between different governmental systems. Number 3. Historical context considers the historical evolution of government and institutions to understand their current forms and practices. Number 4. Case studies. In-depth case studies of individual countries' governmental systems are common to provide detailed insight. Comparative politics. Comparative politics is a broader subfield that examines the variety of political system, behavior, cultures, and processes across different countries. It goes beyond formal institutions to explore the dynamic and interactive aspects of politics. Focus. Number 1. Political behavior. Studies how individuals and groups participate in politics, including voting, protest, and other forms of political engagement. Number 2. Political processes. Analysis processes such as policy making, political change, revolution, and conflicts. Number 3. Political culture. Investigates the role of culture, beliefs, values, and ideologies in shaping political life. Number 4. Non-state actors. It includes the study of the influence of NGOs, interest groups, social movements, and other non-state actors. Number 5. Comparative analysis. It engages in cross-national comparisons to understand how different factors impact political outcomes and processes. Methodology. Number 1. Quantitative methods. It utilizes surveys, statistical analysis, and other quantitative techniques to gather and analyze data. Number 2. Qualitative methods. employs interviews, ethnographic studies, and case studies to gain deeper insights into political phenomena. Number 3, interdisciplinary approach. Integrates theories and methods from sociology, economics, anthropology, and other disciplines. Number 4, theoretical frameworks. It uses a variety of theoretical approaches such as political economy, rational choice theory, and institutionalism to interpret political phenomena. Now we discuss the main differences between comparative government and comparative politics. Number 1, scope. Comparative government has a narrower focus, primarily concerned with a formal institution and their structure. But comparative politics has a broader focus, encompassing both formal institution and a wide range of political processes, behaviors, and cultural factors. Number 2, focus of analysis. Comparative government emphasizes the comparative study of different governmental institutions and their function. But comparative politics looks at broader political dynamics, including societal influences, political behavior, and the impact of non-state actors. Number 3, methodologies. Comparative government predominantly uses descriptive and analytical methods focused on institutional structures, but comparative politics employs a mix of quantitative and qualitative methods and often adopts an interdisciplinary approach. Number 4, analytical framework. Comparative government often relies on typologies and classifications of government types and studies constitutional frameworks. But comparative politics utilizes a variety of theoretical framework to analyze political phenomena, considering multiple variables and other interactions. Number 5, nature of studies. Comparative government more likely to produce detailed case studies of individual countries' governmental system, but comparative politics engages in cross-national studies and seeks to identify patterns and causal relationships across different political systems. At last, in conclusion, we can say, while comparative government and comparative politics are closely related subfields with political science, they differ significantly in their focus and approach. Comparative government provides a more narrow and institutional perspective, concentrating on the structures and functions of governmental system. Comparative politics, on the other hand, offers a broader analysis that includes political behavior, culture, processes, and the influence of non-state actors. Together, their subfields contribute to a comprehensive understanding of political systems and dynamics globally.